So this is day 4 of me having COVID. I'm breathing a lot better. My body is just really sore. It hurts to walk. I have lots of pains in my muscles, my joints, my back and leg hurts. So I've just been trying to rest. Now day 1 of COVID wasn't that bad. I just basically had like chills, a slight headache. I was tired, no fever, nothing like that, but just mostly like chills and a headache. Day 2 and 3, it started getting worse. My nasal passage real congested. I could barely breathe. Yesterday I had to breathe a lot out of my mouth. My throat was real dry and sore because of that. But today is a lot better. I've been taking this, I don't know if you can see this, but it's nasal spray, the Dollar General kind for severe congestion. That's the only thing that's been helping me so that I can sleep at night. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be able to breathe at all. But like I said, today is a lot better. Hopefully tomorrow will be even better. I got up today, like I've been feeling all ugly and stuff the last couple days, so I tried to get up, put some eyeshadow on. I didn't even cover the whole eye. My eyebrows uneven. One looks like it's pointier than the other. So my eyebrows are looking real COVIDy today. But I tried. I do have a little bit of eyeliner on and some lipstick. I was feeling like big bro. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll feel better. I don't wish COVID on nobody. And this is my first time actually getting COVID throughout the whole pandemic. This is my first time. I'm just glad it's not as bad as some people have had it. So that's good. I just have mostly body aches and a little bit of chills. So I just been in the bed marinating since Monday. Can't wait to get up and about. It's been sunny and pretty all week. It's cold though, but it's been so sunny and nice, and I just been stuck in the bedroom. So, but I just want to let my family and friends know that I am okay. I'm just looking forward to next week when I can get up and get back to work. All right, have a good day, everybody.